Good morning, one and all. My name is Dr. B. Srinivaslu, Department of Mechanical Engineer. Today we are discussing about system approach to management. See here, system approach to management. If I am saying the management want to complete one work, so he required people or he may require other resources. Okay. So see here the system approach to the management. In the management is the activity of getting things done with the aid of people and other resources. Means, let me take one example. If machines are very more, so what happen? Peoples are less. So he want to require more people so that he can fix on the each machine. So he can do this work by recruiting the peoples. Okay, these are the example of to management to complete his work with the help of aid of people or other resources. We are also very familiar that if a poor management is take place here, then automatically no business and no money can be circulation take place here. So management should be a very strong so that business will be a build and money circulation take place here. In the same manner, it is a collection of interrelated parts. Means there is having a different types of things are take place here. Okay, different part means different types of environment means input to output, what are the raw material. So what happened to the even for the product and the service. So there is a collection of different types of parts and we are mixing to achieve some goal which is exists in the environment. Example, if I want to produce one bottle, so what is the things we have to take care of that one? We have to collect the raw material, that is the interrelated parts. Then for the raw material, blow molding, then injection molding, blow molding for bottle, for injection molding for cap. So there is a people is required. So these are the things. The different parts are interrelated to get to achieve some goal. To get of an example in our sense to produce one bottle. So here collection of interrelated parts acting together to achieve one goal which is exists in the environment. That is another one we are saying, that is a output here. Okay. Now coming to the one more thing, that it is also defined as a system is defined as a set of objects. Let's now discuss working together with a relationship between the object and their attributes. So there will be having a means systematic means workers and the managers are working together. So what happen here? It will related to each other to the environmental. So there is a set of object we can also say, means here example of a bottle I said of a different sets of objects are placed, mean raw material to the blow molding to the injection moldings. So there are a relation between the objects and their attributes related to each other to the environment. Simple thing, input to the transformation process and to the output here. Input, transformation process and the output. Input, if I am saying, that is a example, this all things are example. Input, if I am taking of a raw material, that is a transformation process is taking place as a employees of a work, and output is our product and service. These are the relation between the object and their attributes related to each other to the which is environment. If anything goes means after the output there will be a feedback taken place. So feedback is related to the once again to the we are giving to input here. Is clear? In the same manner, system in simple terms in respect to the management, and it is a set of different independent parts. So here the different parts are there, just now the raw material and the blow molding of a only bottle, then the cap, then the different independence of a parts are together. If I am mixing that one, we are producing one bottle here. The same manner, one more example, let me discuss here. Previous also have F.W. Taylor also we have discussed in this one. So one is having a factory manager is having the two person of a manager, the planning and the production. So in planning, if I am saying here, remaining four are in a planning, 4 persons are in a planning manager and 4 persons are in a production manager. So there are 4 persons are planning in charge. If I am saying of a, that is the instruction card clerk, route card clerk, time and the cost and the disciplinary. These are the 4 persons. There are independent parts, if I can say that the independent persons are there. In the production, that is a gang boss, repair boss, inspector and a speed boss. So these are independent parts, we can also say. So here they are giving a together, means if a 4 persons of instruction card, route card and the time and the cost and discipline, these 4 persons are giving combination and giving it to the work. They are giving a knowledge to the work. They are related to the worker, and this production 4 members also related to the worker here. So here when they all are interrelated there, when mix take place, set of management can be terms of take place here. Okay. See here, the system approach to the management, simple thing, input to the transformations process and output. This all are environment, means here is a, see here, environmental, that is a system boundaries are there which are take place, the input, transformation process and output, that is a system boundary can be taken place. If example input, if I am taking of a raw material and which is raw material is sending to the transformation process, that is the employee of a work activity should be taken place in a transformation process, means raw material, then employees of work activity can be taken place in the transformation process, then employee, after employee we are going for the output as a product and the service. Raw material, employees, product and the output. Then after that there will be having a system boundaries. Okay, above the line is system boundary, that is a feedback. What are the quality check? Okay, these are the product and the service is there. What are the output is there? According to the environmental, we are going for the feedback. Once again, if but here we are according to the system, goal is only the one, but system approaches is take place in a different way. Goal is one only, but system approaches the output is same. Is clear? Now coming to the element of system approach, and organize is unified. So if I am saying of a unified and purposeful system consists of several interconnecting, interacting and interdependent. So here means if I am saying the knowledge, organization having a disciplinary and understanding and the knowledge, the organizing which is having a disciplinary knowledge and understand and is giving a determination and resolve the what are the problems are there. So there are different types, means giving the organizing is giving to the this one to the manager. So these are the things, so that there will be interconnected to each other. Okay, that will be interacting and the interdependent of a parts. Okay, in the same manner, see here, these are the, there means the organizing having a knowledge, discipline, everything they are giving a organizing, means the management is giving to the, saying to the manager, manager is having a some rules and regulations. So that one depending upon disciplines, everything, they are giving a knowledge and a determination and resolving what are the things are there, then they are saying to the worker and they will completing the job. These are the elements of system approach. In the same manner, the parts of a system are subsystem. Just now I discussed the parts of a system are called as a subsystem. Each subsystems influence the other subsystems. Means just now planning in charge having a 4 members are there, production in charge having a 4 members are these. Each subsystems of a what happened here, they are interacting and making a one system as a whole here. Everything is a impact, environmental. Means the factory manager, factory having a planning to the production, having a 4 members, here 4 members and giving a task to the worker here. All each subsystem are influence the other subsystems. Means the planning to the remaining 4 members, remaining to the this one. Each subsystem are influencing the other subsystem and the system is has a to producing the main one product out. Is clear? Now come to the position and function of each subsystem can be analyzed. Positioning, what are the positioning, what is the task of that one, what are the function he can do that one, and what are the he analyze on that one. Means if I saying of a time and the schedule, time and the cost, at what time we have to complete, at a less time, and the what is the cost of that one, what is the quality check on that one, what are the disciplinary action can be taken. So the position of that one, he is a manager having a some position, and what are the functions can be occurred, planning in charge having a some functions on that one. So each subsystem can be analyzed and understood and only in the relation to the subsystem to organize as a whole. That is the reason the factory management can be taken. Factory can be or any industry can be run. Factory or any industry can be run, can be take place very smoothly due to this type of a things when is occurred here. That is elements of system approach. Each subsystem derives its strength. You know, if we know that a worker is waiting for that one. So remaining for planning of a planning should be given by the supervisor. So this each subsystem is derived its strength by its association and interaction with the other subsystems. Interaction with the other. Without of a planning of a manager, these 4 members could not be do anything. So there each subsystem, this planning in charge can be interacting with the factory manager. Factory manager giving to the planning in charge giving to the anything to the work to the these 4 members. 4 members is interacting to the worker here. So here is our interest. Each subsystem is derive its strength. They know the what is the actually okay, this will be happen, okay, this will be instruction given to that one, what are the route, if after the total completion of my work, where I have to go that one, where I have to send this one, this everything is take place here. Okay, so this each subsystem derive its strength and by its association and interaction with the other subsystem. When everything is a collective contribution, then organization is greater than the system, is known as a synergy. A simple thing of a synergy is we are saying that is a interaction and connection with the 2 or more organization. 2 or more organization. Okay, when everything is means there will be having a proper way. So these are contribution, collection of a take place here. Organization is greater than the system. So this we are saying this is known as a synergy. Means here we are going for the interaction and connection with the 2 or more organization. Each system has a boundary that separated it from the environment. I said that's the open boundary and the closed boundary, and we can also that is the internal and external also we can say. Thus, each system there is having a sense of certain limit is there. We can't go cross that boundary, cross that boundaries. Okay, so each boundary has that have separated it from its environment, depending upon that organization. The boundary determines which parts are internal to organization and which are external. It may be internal or it may be external. So here the reaction or a response of the environment to the output known as the feedback. We have known just now I said the input to the output. So input, transformation process and output. After output, what are the quality check are there, what are the customers requirement, what are the feedback after the output, then this will sending to the once again the input. But system is same, where output is the same. If I want to produce the bottle, is bottle only, but system will be due to the feedback, or that is the requirement of the customer. We are just changing some values and we are changing the diagram, but the production is the same. That is a bottle means bottle only. That is the reaction and the response of the environment to the output and known as the feedback. The feedback is useful in evaluating, just now I said, improving the function of the system as per the requirement. If a same bottle is produced in the past in 100 years before, we are using the same bottle, now also if you use the same bottle means no. Depend upon that, if I want to carrying with in a bike, that's enough. If a same bottle can be carried in a car, is not. So that is the evaluation and improving, means just example I am giving. The feedback from the customer, no, there is a different type, it will be a good looking. So feedback is useful in evaluating and improving the function of the system. Okay, organization operate on the principle that they have several alternative ways. Just now I said it having a different principles. Okay, operate on a principle that they have a several alternative ways. There are different types of it, means they can change the die and they can produce, but the same thing achieving the same goal. I said the alternate way is if I want to produce one another bottle. So just simple thing, alternate way is I am replacing of a, instead of a previous die I am replacing another die, but the same goal is, example is what. Okay. See here, the input, there is a total system, so that is a take place in an environment, system having an input, transformation process, output. Input, if I am saying raw material, human resources, capital, technology information. In the same manner, we are sending this to the, this all things means of these are inputs. Okay, then for the transformation process, employees, works, activity, management activities, technology and operation methods. Okay, in the same manner, we are going for the output of a product and service, financial result, information, human results. So here whatever the raw material we are purchasing from the outside, and what are the human capitals and the information technology of a capital technology informations are there. So these things can be, we are sending to the transformation process, simple thing of a work activity, how much employee can be take place about that one, everything, and management activities and technology can be operational of a methods can be taken place here. Okay, in the same manner, what are the product output is taken place according to this one, what are the inputs. Okay, output, after that whatever we are getting, that is the feedback can be taken place by the input. We are sending the feedback to the input. The everything is a system place of a input, transformation process and output, which is a take place of a internal and the external of the our environment. Is clear? Now coming to the classification of a system. Here we are saying of a open system and the closed system. Just now I said of an open system is a interacting with its environments. Okay, is try to establish the relationship. While coming to the closed system is a self-contained and isolated from the environment here. Okay, in the same manner what happened? It does not receive input often from the other system, does not trade with the example from the outside also. Means here what happened? Whatever is the system is going inside, means closed system. Everything is a, okay, these are the things, what are the things, just like of example automatic or whisper. If you start means it will continuously take place here, never stop. That is everything is a closed system only there. Means open system, we are interacting with the relation and we are making with the environment. What are the, okay, this organization is doing this. So these are take place in a open system and this everything in the closed system. Okay, open system and the closed system. Means open system is a simple thing, is interacting with environment and making a relationship with the other system. In the same manner, closed system is not interacting with any other things, not trading, and there is a no, and from the other whatever he have given task, he is that completing that one. Okay, that is a example is our automatic wristwatch. Now this is very important. Mixin 7S of a models means here we are having a here both of a large and the small firms of a nothing but if I want of a is a simple thing of a business, large and the small business. What are the 7 elements are required for the large and the small of a business here? Means there is a strategy, structure, system, style, staff, skills. These all are nothing but our connected with the shared values also. This is also a shared values also, but everything strategy, structure, system, okay, style, staff, skills, this all are connected with our shared values. Okay, these are the 7 elements. Okay, see here 7 elements. If I am saying about the strategy, if I want to run one company, so in what basis we are running our company? We are in a plan that it should be a long term run. Long term should be taken place. That is a strategy means. If you want to example, if you want to build one industries of a small scale or a large scale, see that it will be a whatever we are getting of a means requirement from the environment, requirement from the customers, okay, which will be a long life. Because if example of a bottle, you know, example taking of a bottle of a dye. So what happened here? Blow molding. The blow molding, you know that if I take of a blow molding of a one machine with a dye, we can, because without bottle, we know that one. It is impossible to travel from one place to another place of a without of a water. So it will require to store the water in a bottle. This is a long term of, this is a small example I am giving here, that is a bottle, okay, that is a blow molding. But here the strategy means is a long term of your running of your company. So that is the reason action a company plans in response to or anticipation of changes in its external environment according to that one, okay, external. In the same manner, plans for allocation of resources to enable the company identical goals. Depend upon the companies, depend upon the goals, they are going for the resources and collection of resources and identical goals here. In the same manner, the structure. If I am saying of a structure, what happened? There will be a relation between the cooperation with the companies, different types of between the companies, okay, even with the arrangement we are saying. That is structure means simple thing is a arrangement and relation between the complex of a parts. Okay, complex of a parts, arranging of a nothing but a relation of a between of a different of a complex of a part and arranging. This is the way the specialization, coordination, influence primarily by strategy, organization size and diversity. This is also the way that different units in the firm related to each other. Just now I said of a planning in charge, production in charge. If we are going for the arrangement proper of a company is having, okay, this is the system, I want to produce one product, so there will be having a proper person is there, proper raw material is there taken place here. So if anything is goes up, okay, if a raw material we can replace that one, and we can, if anything is goes with the machine, the proper means planning in charge is there. So there will be a, according to the planning in charge, if I am saying of a recruiting of some person, there will be a specialization should be taken according to that one, and coordination between the manager and the worker should be a coordination should be taken place here. That is a influence of a primary by strategy and organizational size. Means this all things take place to run a long term of your company, long term of your industries. The strategy is a long term and the structure is a arrangement of that one according to the production. So we are arranging these things. Coordination can be taken place here. Next point is system. System is a formal or informal of a strategy and a structure. Means Here we know that one it may be a long term, and another for the strategy is a long term, and the structure is a for arrangement. Means we are going and procedure that supports the strategy and the structure. Internal systems are also procedure and the process, means how the work should be done, and internal system used to accomplish the needed performance. Okay, now come to the style. We are saying the style in sense of what are the disciplinary, what are the culture of the organization, what are given, because we know that the management giving is some guidance to the management is giving a guidance to the manager is giving to the some guidance to the worker here. So that can be depend upon, because we have given some instruction to the management is given instruction to the manager is giving instruction to the worker. So in this way we are going. So which consists of two components. One of them is a management style, how they will manager behave, and what they do rather than what they say. What they means here, simple thing here, rather than what they say. Okay, means here depend upon the manager behave and what they will say. That is a depend upon the what are the instruction given by the, that is a culture we are saying, that is a discipline can also we can say of the organization. Now the staff, we know that without of a staff we can't run any organization here. So that will be a depend upon their development of the management effect can be used, and what are the socialization and what are the knowledge of that one. And 90% of a staff we are making of a, because they will be having a young persons is recruited for that one with their knowledge, with their experience. Now we are, if you want to run one organization, we are going for the, if you want to run one industries, we are seeing that there will be having the recruited young, we are recruiting of a young persons which can give a manage the employees career. It is also giving a good support to the young person who are coming. Okay, because what happen, young person they are having a capability of taking the knowledge and taking the learning that one, even that capable of taking the training also. So there is the growth of them also. Interaction, the skills, the simple of a skills is if we know that they are having they are well trained of that one, the knowledge they are having so according to already the experience is there,